Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market today. In this video, we're excited to showcase the best white pumpkins large, the perfect decorative addition for your home this fall season. Whether you're gearing up for Halloween or getting ready for Thanksgiving, these pumpkins are sure to elevate your decor game. Today, we're featuring the vensovo 8.5-inch large white pumpkins. These aren't just any ordinary pumpkins. They are large, foam decorative pumpkins that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also versatile for various occasions. With their elegant white finish, these pumpkins serve as the perfect canvas for your creative ideas, making them ideal for DIY enthusiasts and those looking to add a personal touch to their seasonal decor. Each pumpkin measures 8.5 inches tall and is made from lightweight foam material, making them easy to handle and arrange. The set includes 2 pumpkins, giving you plenty of options for display. You can place them on your dining table as centerpieces, use them as vase fillers, or incorporate them into your fall-themed arrangements. Their charming and cute design will surely catch the eye of your guests and add a cozy feel to your home. One of the standout features of these pumpkins is their paintable surface. Since they are white, you can unleash your creativity by painting them in colors that match your decor or even writing seasonal messages on them. This flexibility allows you to customize your pumpkins for Halloween, Thanksgiving, or any fall-themed celebration. Imagine transforming these pumpkins to fit your unique style. These pumpkins are perfect for various occasions. Not only can they serve as part of your Halloween decor, but they can also be incorporated into Thanksgiving settings or used for fall dining table displays. They add a touch of elegance to weddings or themed parties, making them a versatile addition to your seasonal decor collection. Another advantage of these foam pumpkins is their easy storage. Unlike real pumpkins, which can take up a lot of space and need proper care, these artificial pumpkins can be stacked and stored away without worrying about spoilage or mess. You can bring them out year after year, making them a sustainable and economical choice for your home. In conclusion, if you're on the hunt for stylish, functional, and customizable decor for the fall season, the vensovo 8.5-inch large white pumpkins are an excellent choice. With their charming design, lightweight foam construction, and versatility for various occasions, they are sure to become a favorite in your seasonal decor collection. So, what do you think about these pumpkins? Would you add them to your fall decor? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews and recommendations from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating. We'll see you in the next video.